guys, today I wanted to do a full video on the Impress press-on falsies. These already come with the glue. They're very similar to the falscara, but they already have the glue, so you don't have to go through the process of actually applying like some kind of tacky base for it to stick to. I was really drawn to these. I asked you guys if you guys wanted a review. I also am doing a shorts. I did a shorts on this side of the eye, but I wanted to do a full review, like talk through with you guys, because sometimes shorts, it's only a minute and it's so quick, and I like to be able to also explain to you guys what I'm doing. And I got two of these styles, one in natural and one in voluminous. I opened the voluminous one, and that's what I am using on my left eye. That's actually what's on my right eye. And I'm gonna start off with this tiny little section right here. What I did was I took one of the medium styles and cut it in half to do my inner corner of my eye, because I just felt like the eyelash was incomplete. It only comes with a medium and a long lash. I wish it had another third row of short lashes, because I feel like you really need it for the inner eye. And especially with my small eye, I don't know, I feel like I was just like missing a chunk here in the front. And so I went ahead and cut a section. So let me go ahead and apply this one, because I don't want the glue to dry, but I really like that it already has the glue on it. It does come with like little tweezers, but I don't know how I feel about these tweezers yet. And literally you just apply them and stick them on and squeeze them to your own lash. And there I have just the first one. So I'm gonna take a medium one, and I like taking them out of here just with my fingers. I just like snap it out, and then I adjust it onto these tweezers. And then I look down and then apply it underneath the lash line and kind of stick them as close as I can down there. So it's super, super easy. And at the end, I go ahead and basically like, what is it, like just like squeeze them all together. So I'm gonna take another medium one, just snapping it out. And these are not reusable, I don't think, because these are like press and go. But I do like the fact that it already has the glue. It kind of makes me want to try lashes that already come with glue on them, because they seem a lot easier to apply. Oh God, there goes one. And I don't, like I said, I don't know how I feel about these tweezers. I guess because they're so long, I'm not used to a tweezer being that long. Usually the ones that come with lashes are a little on the shorter side, and this one does not want to stick. Okay. And I found this problem with a few of these already today, that some of them have more glue than others. So some of them stick better than others. And then I'm gonna do a long one at the end. And then what I'm gonna do is take the tweezer, and you can tell that some of these are like falling out, and it's almost like they don't have enough glue. So let's try to squeeze them and see if it attaches to my lashes. If not, I might have to get another little pair. Oh God. These just do not want to function, which sucks. Okay, let's try again. Okay, so the glue kind of like dries out on some of these. I can feel like it's a little sticky, but it's not sufficing enough for it. So I would reuse this maybe with the bond from the falscara. But it just sucks because I thought like it would have enough on there to glue on. So I'm just putting the ones that didn't stick on back in the packaging. And then yeah, let me try another one and see what's going on. What's going on? Let's go ahead and try another pair. So that is a downfall of this, is that some of them, like the glue, isn't as sticky as like if you were to use glue. Okay, that one's stuck on. And let's try another one from the long row. I had two of the long ones that sadly just, I don't know, did not want to stick on. The glue wasn't like good. Okay, so I'm gonna let these dry a little bit. I'm gonna press them down and come back. For my final thoughts, I have to say I like these. I haven't fully fallen in love with them yet. These are a little bit pricey. They're like $16.99 for these sets. I do like that they're in clusters. They're easy to apply. It already has the glue and it comes with the tweezers. I don't feel like it's necessary to each time that you want a set, like it's gonna bring a tweezer, because that's like overkill, and I feel like that's part of the price point that it's like pretty pricey, is that this tweezer is actually in there. So I would like to see them come out with them individual without the tweezer and maybe be a bit more inexpensive. Also, I didn't like the fact that some of these didn't glue on. They didn't have enough glue on them. I had two of the clusters that didn't have enough glue and just basically fell off like you guys saw. Do I think that I'll keep repurchasing? I might repurchase if I see them come out with it without the tweezers. I actually bought these on sale at Ulta for like $11.99. I asked you guys here on YouTube if you guys wanted a review, and that was the reason that I bought them. I really like the falscara because you can actually like apply the glue, and you could probably do the same with these as well, but the whole point of the price point is the fact that it already comes with glue. So I would have liked to see each one of them work, and sadly some of the ones that I picked out did not have enough glue. Overall, do I recommend? Yes. If you guys are into lashes, if you're looking for a easy way to start getting into lashes or wearing lashes, I do like these. I like the fact that with these little clusters that you put from underneath, it's a little bit easier to apply, just for me personally. Let me know in the comments below if you guys think the same thing. I feel like when you look down into a mirror, it's easier to apply from underneath and like go in there into the lash line and apply them on than compared to like when you're trying to look down and put them on top. Especially for me, I have really long lashes due to using lash serum, and it's a little bit harder to get on that lash line and get it perfectly on there. That's why a lot of times I have to go back in with liner and like fix it up, compared to like with underneath, I don't have to worry about any of those things. So I have really fallen in love with these kind of clusters because they're so easy, and because I don't have to cover like anything on the top lash, and they look more natural because I have my own lashes there. That being said, like today I had a lot of fallout onto my lashes, so then I had to go back in with mascara and like do this. Let me get a mirror. I had to go in with mascara and like tap into my own lashes to make them black because I had fallout on there. So that was something that I just needed to do, because when I looked down, you could see like all the fallout from the shadow. And so if you're playing around with colors and stuff like that, it's going to be an issue. They do feel solid on the lashes, and I will put an update down below if they lasted all day or any of them fell. I haven't had issues like with the falscara falling or anything like that. If it's for a daily use, I'm good. The one that I had more issues with was the overnighter. That sadly just did not work for me, as far as like it being like for many days. I rather apply them daily and have them look really beautiful than like try to make them last for many days and then look janky. If you guys have tried these, let me know your opinion down below. Let us know what worked for you, what didn't work for you. Did yours, like all of them, have the glue, or like mine, did yours like have issues? I really like this voluminous one. I just like the kind of like wispiness that it gives my eyes. Just really beautiful. I really enjoy these, and I like how easy they are. So please, Kiss, come out with a packet that doesn't have the, what's it called, the tweezer, and just give us the lashes by themselves and make it like 10 or 12 bucks. Anyways, let me know your thoughts down below. If you're not subscribed and want to see more content from me, It's totally free. You can hit that little red button. I don't have any kind of charge or anything like that. You can just follow for free. And also I do have my social media down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing. It helps if you like this video, if you comment, if you share with your friends. Thank you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.